Here's a quick video of the cam release on the dust boot hanger. Saw a post on this on Facebook or the forum. I'm sorry, I don't remember. I'll try to figure out where I saw that and give credit to the gent that came up with it. Works extremely well, moves up and down quickly and allows quick adjustment. Far better than the little wheel gizmo. The parts consist of this cam lever that I bought at McMaster Car. I printed this piece that goes behind that replaces the little metal one that comes with the machine. I just printed one that's not threaded so that this stainless steel all-thread rod can go through it and have a nut on the back side, so it makes it easy to adjust that to get it in the right tension where you can fix it to the point where the friction is just right. So great improvement if you're still using the dust boot. A lot of people like the boots that are attached to the router or spindle. I'm still using this one with the socket. I like it and I'll stick with it. I'm going to put a spindle on soon, and I'm not sure that this will survive, but meanwhile, it's working. Take care.